Automatic cars have completely changed driving, especially with the ease they offer in city traffic and on long trips. Many drivers unknowingly practice habits that shorten the lifespan of their automatic transmission. In this video, we'll cover common mistakes you should avoid to extend the life of your automatic car. We'll look at why these habits are harmful and the financial benefits of a more mindful driving approach. So buckle up to become a more informed and proactive car owner. Ever heard someone brag about driving on empty? While it might sound cool, it's a recipe for disaster, especially for your fuel pump. Modern electric fuel pumps are designed to be efficient, but they need to be submerged in gasoline for cooling and lubrication. Consistently driving with less than a quarter tank forces your fuel pump to work overtime in a hot, dry environment. This can lead to overheating, premature wear and tear, and ultimately a hefty repair bill. You don't want to shorten the life of your fuel pump, do you? Driving on low fuel forces the pump to work harder to pull fuel, which can cause it to suck up sediment and debris that settles at the bottom of the tank. This gunk can cause serious problems in your fuel system. It can clog your fuel filters, damage injectors, and reduce your engine's overall performance. Plus, these kinds of problems can negatively impact your car's fuel efficiency too. So, next time you're at the gas station, remember, a full tank means a happy fuel pump. Making this small habit can make a big difference for your car's health and performance. Remember, the health of your fuel pump is crucial to the overall health of your car. So, protect both by keeping your tank full. So next time you're at the gas station, remember, a full tank means a happy fuel pump. This small habit can make a big difference for your car's health and performance. Coasting in neutral might seem like a harmless way to save gas or cruise downhill, but it's like tightrope walking without a safety net for your automatic transmission. It carries serious risks. Modern automatic transmissions are designed to be constantly engaged, even when you're not pressing the gas pedal. This ensures your car is always performing at its best. This allows for a continuous flow of transmission fluid, which lubricates the complex gears and components, preventing friction and overheating. Transmission fluid is the lifeblood of the system. When you shift to neutral, you disrupt this delicate balance. You prevent your transmission from functioning correctly. The flow of transmission fluid is reduced, vital parts are starved of lubrication, and friction increases. This can lead to serious mechanical problems. Over time, this can lead to premature wear and tear and costly transmission repairs. Your transmission's lifespan is shortened. Additionally, coasting in neutral reduces your control over the vehicle. It increases your reaction time in emergencies. So, even though it might seem tempting, resist the urge to coast in neutral. It will be safer and more economical in the long run. Your transmission and your safety will thank you. Your car's health and your safety are paramount. We get it, the thrill of acceleration is tempting, but when it comes to your automatic transmission, a gentler approach will serve you better in the long run. Sudden, aggressive acceleration, often referred to as jackrabbit starts, puts a lot of stress on your car's drivetrain. This jolt can cause premature wear and tear on the gears, axles, and other drivetrain components. Think of it this way. Would you rather savor a refreshing drink or chug it down in one gulp? Your car's transmission prefers the more gradual, controlled approach. In the freezing cold of winter, giving your car a proper warm-up isn't just about defrosting your windows or warming your hands. It's crucial for the health of your automatic transmission. When temperatures plummet, your car's fluids, including transmission fluid, thicken. When temperatures drop, your car's fluids, including transmission fluid, thicken. This thicker fluid doesn't flow easily, leading to increased friction and wear on transmission components during the first few minutes of driving. This causes increased friction and wear on the transmission components during the first few minutes of driving. By letting your car warm up for a few minutes before hitting the road, you allow the transmission fluid to reach its optimal operating temperature and viscosity. This ensures proper lubrication and reduces stress on the transmission, leading to smoother shifting and a longer lifespan. A little warm-up goes a long way in preventing cold weather aches and pains for your automatic transmission. Your car's gear shift isn't a random collection of letters. Each letter and position serves a specific purpose. Using these letters and positions correctly can significantly impact your car's performance and lifespan. Each position has a specific purpose, and using them correctly can significantly impact the life of your automatic transmission. Choosing the right gear ensures your transmission runs smoothly for longer and prevents unnecessary wear and tear. While driving, the drive D position is ideal for you, as the car moves most efficiently in this position. However, staying in drive while idling at a red light or pausing for extended periods can harm your transmission. So, what about when parking on a slope? Choosing the right gear is crucial in this situation too. Leaving your car idling in drive, especially for extended periods, puts unnecessary strain on your transmission and can cause it to overheat. The torque converter, responsible for transferring power from the engine to the transmission, constantly works to prevent your car from moving. This generates heat and can shorten your transmission's life. This heat generation can lead to premature wear and tear, which translates to costly repairs down the line. Choosing and using the right gear is crucial to preventing premature wear on your transmission. Similarly, when parking on a slope, avoid relying solely on your transmission to hold your car in place. Using the parking brake to secure your car reduces the load on your transmission and prevents unnecessary stress on the parking pole. Engaging the parking brake takes the load off your transmission and prevents undue stress on the parking pole, a small component that locks your transmission in place. The parking pole is a small but vital component that holds your transmission in place, and its proper use extends the life of your transmission. Using the right gear for the right situation keeps everything running smoothly and prevents unnecessary wear and tear on your automatic transmission. This keeps your car running smoothly for longer and provides you with a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Always make the right gear selection to extend the life of your automatic transmission and avoid unnecessary wear and tear. It might be tempting to rest your hand on the gear shift while driving, but this seemingly harmless habit can actually cause problems for your automatic transmission. The gear shift is directly connected to the internal mechanisms of the transmission. Even slight pressure from your hand can cause misalignments, putting unnecessary strain on the delicate linkages and sensors that control your transmission's shifting. This can put unnecessary strain on the delicate linkages and sensors that control your transmission's shifting. Over time, this constant pressure can lead to premature wear and tear, erratic shifting, difficulty engaging gears, and even costly repairs. So keep your hands on the wheel and your gear shift free from unnecessary pressure. Your transmission will thank you with smoother shifts and a longer lifespan. You don't need a mechanic's expertise or bottomless pockets to keep your automatic car in tip-top shape. By adopting a few simple habits and understanding the mechanics behind them, you can significantly extend your car's life and avoid those dreaded, costly repairs. Remember, your automatic transmission thrives on consistency and proper care. Treat it with respect, and it will reward you with countless miles of smooth, effortless driving. Keep your automatic transmission happy, and it will keep you moving.